Welcome to CAD with Mr. Hugh. In today's video, we're looking at the construction of the cycloid. In the previous video, we looked at the construction of the hypercycloid. So you could visit that video after you've completed watching these series of videos covering the topic cycloid. Now we aim to become your favorite AutoCAD resource online, and we thank you for joining us. We'll be starting the video now. Welcome to the channel called CAD with Mr. Hugh. In today's video, we're constructing the cycloid. So the first thing we're going to draw is our baseline. Enter. Then the next thing we're going to draw is our circle, okay? So here's our circle. This is a diameter. What we're going to do now, we're going to draw the diameter. Enter. And what we're going to do now, we're going to polar array this line so that we can cut up the circle into 12 equal parts. So we select the object, press enter. We select the base, the point that we're going to come up here. I'm going to change this to 12. Enter, and there we have the 12 parts. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to set off the circumference, all right? So what we're going to do, we're going to indicate our diameter. So here's the diameter. The diameter is 100, right? So we're going to get the circumference of the circle. So as we know, so we can go single line text. So let us go multi-line text. All right. So the circumference, we're going to change the height to 6 millimeters. All right. Okay. So the circumference, so the circumference is equal to, the circumference is equal to 3.14 times 100, right? So this is equal to 314 millimeters, all right? All right, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna draw a line, which is 314 millimeters, all right? So we're gonna label this point A right here as a start. The height, we're gonna make this height 4. This is A, all right? So from this point, we're gonna draw a line 340 millimeters to the right. So this is 340. Enter. All right, we're going to make it smaller. We're going to center the drawing. All right. So what we're going to do now, we're going to draw a vertical line coming up. So we're going to go line, there, there. Enter. We're going to draw a line going up from B. Let me label this point B. B. All right, so I'm going to draw a vertical line going up, line. I'm going to turn off snap. Enter. What I have to do now is extend this line to meet that point. So we type EX for the shortcut extend, and we click on it. Right, there it is. All right, what we're going to do now, we're going to draw a line for the center line going across. So we're going to go line, this point coming across to there, enter. All right, now what we're gonna do, we're gonna divide the line AB into 12. So we're gonna use the divide command. I'm gonna select the object, which is this, and the number of segments we need is 12. All right, now you won't see the points unless you hover over it by making maybe a line to it or type div points. But we're going to move along. All right, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to draw a line. And we're going to, there is a first point. That's a node, and you're going to go up, enter. We're going to turn on ortho. All right, so what we're going to do, we're going to copy this line, enter. And we're going to go there, 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 there. Right? So that would be 12 points. So let us label it. Single line text. So this would be, I'm gonna turn off object snap. So this would be O for the center. So this would be O. This would be O1, O2, O3, O4, O5, O6, O7, O8, O9, O10, O11, O12, and the last one would be O1. All right. The ones which are close to the center line are going to move them down. So we're going to go move, move. So this one, 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 enter. Gonna choose here as a base point. I'm gonna move them to enter. All right, what we're gonna do now, we're gonna copy this circle at those centers. We're gonna shift it over a bit because the last one is going to go, would be out here. So we're gonna go copy, circle, enter the base point. We're gonna turn on object snap to pick up the base point, which will be there. So we're gonna go there, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Enter. All right, so we're going to label these points on the circle. So single line text. So this will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This point would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1. All right, so what we're going to do now, we're going to plug. We have come to the end of part 1, covering the topic cycloid. In the next video, we'll be drawing the actual cycloid, so we look forward to seeing you in the next video. Please take care until we meet again. Bye. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.